Hi, in this lesson, let's create search campaign in Bing Ads. So let's go into the interface and click on create campaign. So let's take the conversions as goal, and here you see it is asking us to select the campaign type. Here we have performance max, audience campaign, search and lodging. So let's select search, okay? And here you have two options. One is search ads and another is app install ads. So let's go with the search ads, right? So continue. So you can explore other campaign types as well, okay? So let's give the name as PMV Bing, okay? So this option, use campaign settings from another campaign. When you have other campaigns, that is when you have existing campaigns, you can use the same settings from that campaign, okay? So when you select this one, you can choose from which campaign you want to copy those settings, right? As this is the first campaign, here we are not able to see the existing campaigns, right? So just check out this, or if you don't want, you can opt out of this one. You can give the new settings. That's it. So here we have budget. You have two options. One is individual budget or you have shared budget. You see, apply a budget from the shared library. I have told you what is the shared budget, right? Again I am telling you, each and every concept, it is 99% similar. The only 1% it might vary, okay? The names might vary, the concepts are same, okay? Please remember this one. So here I am giving let's leave it as 2000 only. So location India, right? And here you have two options: people in your targeted location or people in searching for or viewing web pages about your targeted location. So we have also similar options, but the names are different, right? So let's just select first option. So language I am taking English, okay? So enable auto generated assets for responsive search ads. So again I am telling you, keep as much control as possible in your hands, okay? Don't give control to these algorithms. So here I am opting out of this option, because when you enable this one, these algorithms will crawl our website and will prepare the headlines and descriptions as per their understanding, okay? We don't want it. We have our messaging to the audiences, right? So just check out this one, right? Just opt out of this option. Next is the disclaimer, so you can leave it as it is, okay? And final one is the dynamic search ads. When you enable this one, you will be able to use the dynamic search ads for this search campaign. I suggest you to explore this dynamic search ad setup in this search campaign in your test accounts, right? I am not going to explain this here. The process is same, okay? Just save and go to the next step. So here you need to give the ad groups, okay? So let's give the keywords here. Let's give here Bing ads, right? Bing ads and Google ads, right? Let's give these in the phrase match, right? Like this you can give the keywords similar to what we have discussed. And you can also have multiple ad groups, add a new ad group like this, right? So if you have enabled the dynamic search ads in the previous step, here you will be able to give the options here, right? So here we are creating the standard search campaign, right? So just click on save and go to the next step. So we have done it, right? So just save and go to the next step. So what is it? So it is asking us to give the name, right? So let's give it as paid search, right? So simple, and save and go to next. So here you see you need to create ad. So in Bing also it is called as responsive search ad, okay? Here you have other types as well, app install ads and multimedia ads. So here we are focusing on the responsive search ads, right? I suggest you to explore these ad types as well. So I will explain you the responsive search ad. So this is the similar one as we have discussed. Let's give headlines and descriptions here. Copy and paste it here. That's it, right? So paste. That's it. Okay. So if you want, you can also give the final URL for mobile separately, and path. Let's give the path, right? It's Bing ads here, and paste the path here, second path, right? That's it. So headlines, so minimum of 2 headlines you should give, right? I mean minimum of 3 headlines. Nice. Okay, so like this, copy, paste, and copy. This is the headline 3. Next, headline 4, right? So you can remove all these other fields, right? And here you have pin option. You see headline 1, position 2, position 3, all these options very similar, right? So that is the reason why I have told you earlier, if you are able to master Google Ads, you will be able to handle any kind of tool in advertising, right? So next is the description 1 and the description 2. Okay, nice. We have given all the headlines and descriptions. If you want, you can add image extensions here. So we have seen, right? So here you have the add URL options, that is you can place that click tracking parameters, right? So here I am not going to place those things. Just click on save and create. That's it. So you have created your ad. If you want, you can also see the preview. You see on the right side here, you can see the preview here. Okay, you see how it appears, side view, right, and mobile view, like this. So here you also have the ad strength. So accordingly you can build your ad copy. Okay, so just cancel it. So we have created the ad copy. So similarly you can also give the extensions here, right? You can see action extension, right? So this is show a call to action button in your text ads. It is up to you whether you want to add these extensions or not. This is a price extension, promotion extension, this is a site link extension. Let's add one site link extension, right? So here you see this is the link text, right? So here the link text character limit is 35 characters, right? And description character is also 35 characters, 35, right? And copy, paste, right? Final URL is mandatory. Copy and paste. That's it. Save it, right? We can also give the start dates and end dates, very similar to what we have discussed. So here call out extension, structure snippet extension, filter link extensions, review extensions, location extensions, call extensions. So here you might see some new extension types. So those are not needed, you know. The most common type of extensions that we use in the real time is the site links, call out, structure snippet, price, promotion. That's it. So as I told you, these are the major extension types that we will use very frequently. Okay, so just click on save and go to next step. So here it is asking us to review the budgets. Just give the same budget as we have given earlier, and bid strategy. So you need to select the bid strategies here. So here we have enhanced CPC, right? We have seen this: maximize clicks, maximize conversions, maximize conversion value, target CPA, target ROAS, target impression share, and this is the portfolio bid strategy. We have seen all this bid strategy. So don't take me wrong, okay? So as I am repeating this multiple times, so again I am telling you 99% of the concepts are very similar. Okay, 99% of them. Only 1% it varies, and that 1% you will be able to learn only by experience. Trust me. Okay, so in this course for Bing ads, I will tell you what you need to know, so that from there you can build on your knowledge. Okay, so I suggest you to explore this tool. So I hope you are understanding me and my intentions, how I want to teach you in this course, right? Not everything is taught by me for you, right? Some things you need to learn by your own only, and you will only learn them by experience. So I can only help you with the basics, right? And these are the basics. Whatever we have been discussing since the beginning of day one, take these as basics, the foundation of the advertising. you build on from that, right? So like that you can grow yourself. So let's move forward, right? And here you can also give the bits, right? So here you see the add group bit, it is asking, let's leave it as it is, okay? And conversion, here you need to choose the conversion action, that is the conversion goal. Use the account default goal or choose conversion goals for this campaign, right? So if you have created any, right, select all on these pages. What is this? So we have created this, right, purchase tracking conversion action. So let's choose this one, okay? So campaign targets, so location, devices, all these things, and these are the advanced targetings, ad schedule, end date, right? We have seen everything. So this is the multi ad format. So multimedia ads, right? Let's uh, ad distribution, you see. So where on the internet do you want to show ads? So the entire Microsoft advertising network, Microsoft sites, and select traffic. So you can select according to the requirement, okay? So by default it will be selected this only. So you can also leave this as it is. Just click on save. That's it. So we have successfully created the Microsoft Ads search campaign. So here I didn't added any budgets because I don't want to waste my spend here. But I hope you have understood my intentions of making you learn this tool, right? So let's close this one, right? And if you want, you can also set up the billing from here, right? So you see, so just go to the billing there, and here you will be able to reload here, right? So here you can add the payment method, right? And just click on this payment cards, okay? You can add the payments and obviously run the ads, right? So this is the search campaign that we have discussed till now. Let's see how the ads appear on the Bing engine, okay? Let's go into the browser and type for Bing ads, bing.com. This is the Bing engine, right? This is the Bing engine, right? So let's type for any of the query. So let's type for 3 BHK houses in Hyderabad, right? So let's see if we see any ad here, okay? So here you can observe, here it is a web, that means organic result. So we are not seeing the ads, right? So let's go for and type another query. So let's go for car wash in Bangalore, right? So this is also web, and all these are the organic results. Let's type for another ad. So let's go for port reband, right? This is the one, right? So this is also a organic result, right? All these are the organic results. So but I hope you understand how to search for the ads for your learning, right? Let's type for FNP. You see here we have seen the ad. You can observe the ad logo here, right? So this is an ad, and this is the web, that means the organic result. So you can observe how the ads are appearing on the Bing results page, right? This is the Bing search engine results page, right? So this is how the ads appear. So here also you can see one more ad here, right? So I hope you have understood this lesson about search campaigns and other related topics as well. So we will meet in the next one.